Stage 2 from Action just came in. Shout out to the boy at Ghost Boy Aki. The entire drivetrain is now in. The engine is mocked up. So is the transmission. It absolutely has to go in as a whole unit. There's no room to put it in if you have either or installed already. So you have to put it in as an assembly. I had to take off more from the car, the entire radiator support. Luckily, once I took off the lights, it was relatively easy to take out the radiator. You absolutely have to remove all of the accessories. Well, not all of them, but at least the alternator and the AC compressor. I have it marked where I'm going to have to notch it for the proper clearance to allow the AC compressor to go on. A couple of things, I had to make some minor adjustments to the Hasport brackets. This back bolt was off by about 1/4 inch in this direction, so I had to kind of grind at a 45. If you're looking at it like this, I kind of had to grind in this direction. This one went on fairly smooth, not too many issues. But there is a bracket in the back. Let me see if I can show you here. No, I won't show you. But anyways, there's a bracket down there that I'm going to have to modify. I guess when I'm modifying it, I'll show you what that looks like. But as of right now, the entire drivetrain is supporting itself. It's in the car. I'm gonna cut this off with a little rotary wheel, and then I'll get back to you. This is underneath the car, behind that pillar. What I'm gonna do just to start off with is, I'm just gonna follow this line, not this edge, but this line. I'm gonna cut it flush with this, all the way down. If I need to shave more, I'll grind it, but I'm trying to take off the least amount possible.
I think it's time to blow this thing.